Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make the authentic Vietnamese avocado smoothie. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a try because it is so delicious and very creamy. Ingredients are also very simple. I have one small medium-sized avocado, some whole milk, you can choose any brand you like, some ice, and last but not least, the secret ingredient in this recipe is the condensed milk. And that's it. Put everything into the blender. You can also add any other ingredients you like, but these are the ingredients you need for the authentic recipe. And we want avocado to be the star of this recipe, and condensed milk really help with enhancing the flavor. And this is it. This is the creamy, flavorful Vietnamese avocado smoothie, and I hope you will give it a try and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.